Good morning, students. In this video, we will be discussing case studies on directing and its importance. Directing refers to instructing, guiding, communicating, and inspiring people so that the objectives can be achieved. It is that part of management process which ensures the efficiency and effectiveness of the employees. It is also called management in action. In this video, we will be discussing case studies. So to solve a case study, we have to keep in mind that we have to read the question part first, then go to the passage part. Let's start with case 1. See, there are two parts here. We will read the questions part first. Identify the function of management being performed by Mrs. Rita. So one thing is clear, they are asking the functions of management. So here we can focus, like they are asking about the function. We have to identify the function of management. So we may have all the 5 functions of management in our mind, and we have to identify any 1 or 2 functions may be present here. Let's see the second part. They have also asked state the 3 features of the function identified above. And third part is name the element of the above function of management which helped Rita to improve Smita's behavior. Now, if we have gone through the syllabus or the chapter completely, we have already got the answer. How we have got the answer? Because in the third part we are getting the answer. They are asking name the element of the above function of management which helped Rita to improve Smita's behavior. And you know, there are 4 elements in the function of directing only. So we have got answer to part 1. Identify the function of management being performed by Mrs. Rita. But to be more sure, we can read the question part also. Okay, but we have got the answer. Now let's go to the case. Smita had been working as an assistant manager with Johnson Enterprises for the last 10 years. She was very popular among her colleagues because of her commitment and dedication towards work. When the senior manager of her retired, all her colleagues thought that now Smita would be promoted. But to everyone's surprise, the vacant post was filled by an outsider, Mrs. Rita. Smita felt demoralized and her performance started declining. She would absent herself often and could not meet her targets. Mrs. Rita was a good leader who would not only instruct her subordinates but also guide and inspire them. She notices Smita's behavior and felt that her performance could be improved. She started involving Smita in the decision-making issues related to the organization and made her a part of a high-level joint management committee. Smita was now punctual in office and her performance started improving. So, answer to first part, that the question is identify the function of management being performed by Mrs. Rita. So answer we have got this from this line. Mrs. Rita was a good leader who would not only instruct her subordinates but also guide and inspire them. So we have got these things are done by these things are done in the directing function. So answer to part 1 is directing. And state any 3 features of the function that we will see how to write the answer. Let's go to the answer part now. See the first part. Mrs. Rita has performed the directing function of management. Second part, we have to write features of directing. The first feature, directing initiates action. Second, directing takes place at every level of management. Third, directing is a continuous process. Fourth, directing flows from top to bottom. Now, there is third part also to the question. Let's focus on that also. Name the element of the above function of management which helped Rita to improve Smita's behavior. So we are getting some hints here. She notices Smita's behavior and felt that her performance could be improved. She started involving Smita in decision making issues related to the organization and made her part of a high level joint management committee. So, from where here we are getting the answer that the element of function which helped Rita to improve Smita's behavior is motivation. So, here is the answer, motivation. Now, we will see case 2. Case 2, again we will read the question part first. Identify the various elements of directing mentioned in the above paragraph by quoting lines from the paragraph. Second part, describe briefly any 2 points to highlight the importance of directing as a function of management. If we see the second part of the question, it is quite a straight question. We have to write the importance of directing function, importance of directing as a function of management. In the first part, we have to find out the elements of directing. I think you have got you have remembered all the elements of directing now. These are supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. But we have to read the question because the question is saying identify the various elements of directing mentioned in the above paragraph by quoting lines from the paragraph. Means we have to quote the lines also from the paragraph. We'll read the question part now. Roshan is the chief chef of Khidmat 7 restaurant located in the city of Bengaluru. The place is known for its exquisite Mughlai cuisine, especially matar biryani and kebabs. All the food is prepared under Roshan's purview. The various activities in the kitchen are initiated in accordance to his instructions. He is very clear and specific in issuing instructions to his subordinates in order to ensure smooth working of the department. He personally oversees the method followed by chefs for preparation of each dish. He misses no opportunity to praise his subordinates for their good work. All his team members feel very happy and satisfied under his direction. He provides constant guidance to them in order to improve upon its taste and presentation, and also encourages them to innovate and be more creative in their work. So in this paragraph we are getting examples, we are getting hint of all the elements of directing. Clear? Let's see the answer. It goes like this. The various elements of directing mentioned in the above paragraph are as follows. The first I have written is communication. So we are getting the line. He is very clear and specific in issuing instructions to his subordinates in order to ensure smooth working of the department. Second is supervision. The lines which give us hint are he personally oversees the method followed by the chefs for preparation of each dish. Then third is leadership. He provides constant guidance to them in order to improve upon its taste and presentation, and also encourages them to innovate and be more creative in their work. Fourth is motivation. He misses no opportunity to praise his subordinates for their good work. So like this we have identified 4 important elements of directing and also quoted the lines from the paragraph. The second part of the case is asking us to describe the importance of directing as a function of management. So here they have asked to explain any 2 points. So let's see what the first point of importance is. Directing helps to initiate action by people in the organization towards attainment of desired objectives. It is the first execution function of management. Second point of importance is it seeks to integrate the individual efforts of employees in the organization towards the realization of the organizational goals. The third point is directing provides effective guidance, motivation, and leadership to the employees so as to enable them to realize their potential and capabilities. Okay, now we'll see case 3. Case 3 again, we will be reading the question part. By quoting the lines, identify the importance of one of the function of management highlighted in the above case. Now, we have to quote the lines also, highlighting the importance of one of the function of management. So here we have to first of all identify the function, then its importance, and also quote the lines. So let's start reading the passage part now. Kavya, an accounts manager in a multinational company, says, as a manager, she integrates its employees towards common objectives. As a manager, she not only tells people in the organization as to what they should do and how they should do, but also see that her instructions are implemented in the proper perspective. Other than all this, whenever she wants to introduce new system of accounting, she explains the purpose, provides them training and motivated with additional rewards so that her employees cooperate with her. We are getting some hints for the answer. The first line itself is saying that as a manager, she integrates its employees towards common objectives. So this point of importance is of the directing function. So here we have to highlight the importance of directing. See how to write answer? See. So importance of directing we are going to write. Clear? So the lines, as a manager, she not only tell people in the organization as to what they should do and how they should do, but also sees that her instructions are implemented in a proper perspective. This line is highlighting this importance. Directing helps to initiate action. So the first point, you have to write down the title heading of the importance and then the quoted line. The second point is she integrates its employees towards common objectives. So she directing integrates employees' efforts and quoting the lines here. Third point, directing facilitates introduction of changes. So we have got these line also. Whenever she wants to introduce new system of accounting, she explains the purpose, provides them training and motivates with additional rewards so that her employees cooperate with her. So these lines we are going to quote. In examination, whenever these type of questions come, it maybe this question number 3, case study number 3 is of 3 marks. So half mark will be for writing the title heading and half mark for quoting the lines. So you have to be very careful. You have to write that particular line also from the paragraph itself. Okay, hope you have understood how to solve case studies and you are going to practice more. Thank you for watching.